What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE, man, back with another video, and today we're gonna be talking about these Air Jordan 6 DMPs, which we have right here. If you guys have not checked out the review and on feet over this video yet, man, make sure you go check it out right now. Very dope on feet, very dope visuals for you guys to check it out. And I know you guys seen today that these things sold out extremely fast, man. A lot of people's like, are they limited or not? So we're gonna talk about all that in this video today. And also in this video, we're gonna be talking about the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 linens that dropped today. You guys know I dropped a how to cop video on those, and I think I helped a lot of people out, man. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, man. Ring the notification bell for your boy, so you never miss another video or live stream that drops on the channel. We went live this morning doing a live cop for these Air Jordan 6 DMPs and the Yeezy 350 V2 linens, and your boy ended up being very successful on both of those shoes, man. You guys already know the goal for every video is 200 likes, so right now if you're watching this, man, help your boy out. It is free. Hit that like button, and if you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DEVINTAGE. It'll be linked down below in the description box. So yeah, here we have it, man. Air Jordan 6 DMPs. As you guys do know, I got these joints back in February. I bought them in January on StockX, and I received them in February. It was a release overseas somewhere, and they have pairs floating on StockX. So I was like, man, let me go ahead and pull the trigger on these joints, and I finally got them, man. And when I received the shoes, they met their expectation, man. You know, usually when we get a shoe retro, it's like either they meet the expectation or they don't, but these right here definitely met the expectations for me. I was very happy to get this shoe, and now all your boy need is the DMP 11s. But this morning for this release, it was very weird, it was very tricky. You know, we went live, like I said, this morning. If you haven't checked it out, man, make sure you go check it out. I'll put a couple of clips in between this video so you guys can see what was going on in that live stream. But pretty much, man, after like 15 minutes, or really like after 5 minutes of the actual release, sizes 7 through 8.5 was gone. The big sizes was gone, and then you refresh the page another like 5 minutes later, and literally every size was going off of the sneakers app. I even tried to hit on like Foot Locker. I tried to get on Finish Line, try to get on Champ Sports, DTLR, and a lot of those different sites, and try to add the shoe size to the cart, and all those joints was sold out, man. You know, usually it shows the size that it's available, but when you try to add it to the cart, it does not allow you to add it to the cart because it's out of stock, man. It's like an error, it's like a glitch. I don't know what's going on with that, but that's usually how it goes. So you go to the site thinking you're about to get a W, but in all reality, this shoe is definitely out of stock. It's definitely sold out. And we was also talking about the resale prediction, talking about how much they're gonna be going for later on down the line. And right now, size is 9, like, and a couple of the big sizes was going for around $300, man, which is $100 over retail, which is a good profit, especially if you are a reseller out there trying to make you some money off of these Air Jordan 6 DMPs. I was definitely not expecting this shoe to sell out how I did. I thought it was gonna be a GR, man. You know that they pushed the release back multiple times. It finally came out that it was pushed back due to them trying to make it a full family size run, but that did not matter when it came to the release date today, man. Everything flew off of the websites, man. You know, some stores will have them when the stores open back up, like Shoe Palace has some Yeezys and stuff like that still. I know they're gonna have these Jordans in there, and a couple other shoe stores around your local area might have a lot of these shoes that's been pushed to only online release are still gonna have shoes in their stock in their store. So you guys let me know right now in the comment section below if you cop these Air Jordan 6 DMPs, and let me know where you copped them from, man. I know a lot of people in the chat this morning. We had like 120 people in there. There was a lot of people saying that they took an L, man. And we kept trying to give them tips and stuff like that, but it came down to it that they literally sold out of everywhere, man. So I'm not gonna say that they were extremely limited. They might be, I don't know, quote unquote, they might be limited. They might be one of those most anticipated sneakers, and maybe due to, you know, everybody getting their stimulus checks. You just don't know what was going on around this release, man. You guys do know last week, man, the Air Jordan 1 Core Purple 2.0 was released, and those things flew off of every site as well. So maybe it's something that's gonna be reoccurring. Maybe every Jordan release, every Yeezy release is gonna sell out just because everybody's at home. Maybe they got the extra funds, and maybe it's not that many shoes available on these online releases. All right, so next, man, we're gonna be talking about the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 linens. As you guys do know, like I said, we tried to cop both these joints this morning, and your boy was successful on both, and I hit on a size 9 via the raffle on the Adidas app. I never knew anything about the Adidas app until the 380 Miss release, so now this is my second time actually winning on the Adidas app, man. I've been winning more on the Adidas app than sneakers. It's crazy, but I was super happy to get that shoe. I was about to end the live stream, and then all of a sudden it went from like 25% of the raffle going through to straight 100%, and they sent me a notification that I hit on the Yeezy 350 V2 linens. It was weird because I actually got the notification first through my bank, and then like a couple seconds later the Adidas app refreshed, and it showed me that I got the shoe. So shouts out to Adidas for that second win on their app. Hopefully it just keeps going along, and hopefully I can hit on those more limited sneakers, you feel me? And the resale on those guys are going for around 300 as well, man. I haven't seen one pair that was under 280, and it's weird now because the bigger sizes is going more than some of the smaller sizes that usually are way more than everything on the market. So you can definitely make some money off these Yeezys. You can definitely make some money off of these DMP 6s. So if you were successful on any shoe and you're a reseller, man, it was a good day for you. So if you guys have not checked out the review and on feet over the Air Jordan 6 DMPs, man, make sure you go check it out right now. Very dope. I gave you guys a whole bunch of different jean variations to throw with these DMP 6s. And make sure you go follow me over on Instagram at DEVINTAGE. I will be throwing a picture up with the outfit with these DMP 6s, man. And also, whenever I do get my Yeezy 350v2 linens, I would definitely drop that review and on feet for you guys. I cannot wait to get them in hand. I was actually more excited about these than the Desert Sage Yeezys that I copped a couple weeks back. I just think that all over tan and that reflective hit that's gonna be going through that joint, it's gonna be super crazy. And I might even throw my reflective laces that was in my lumbar inside of these, and I think they're gonna be very, very fire, bro. So you guys are definitely not gonna miss that review and on feet over these 350v2 linens. I appreciate all of the support, man. Make sure you subscribe right now if you have not subscribed already. Like the video. You guys know the goal for every video is 200 likes. So right now, smack that like button. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DEVINTAGE World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, of course. And with all that being said, like I said, answer those questions. Did you cop the 350v2 linens or did you cop the DMP 6s? Stay tuned for the review and on feet over those Yeezys. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace. Let's get it.